Exceptional value in this desirable community. Enjoy maintenance-free living in this spacious townhome, where you can enjoy 3 levels of finished space. The quiet and private upper level is where you'll find your bedrooms, along with a versatile loft area, 2 full bathrooms and convenient laundry room. Main floor is well designed with spacious kitchen, powder room, living room, dining, and fantastic foyer along with a 2-car garage west/direct access into mudroom that offers a pantry and double coat closet. Lower level has over 600 square feet that's been professionally finished by AVB for an additional living space that can be flexible for whatever you need it for. This townhome is bright and open, has neutral decor, beautiful windows and slider allowing plenty of light and a view of thoughtful landscaping and private patio. The Enclave offers a community swimming pool and walking trail.